Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the comfort of Japanese home cooking with a dish that's as delightful to the eyes as it to the taste buds. The Tori Soboro Rice Bowl. This rice bowl is a canvas of warm, steamed rice topped with a sweet and savory chicken soboro, perfectly scrambled eggs, and garnishes that add a pop of color and texture. Simple, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. So, let's get cooking! Start by mixing 200 grams of chicken mince with our seasoning. That's sugar, mirin, sake, and soy sauce in a pan. Blend well to prevent lumps because we want every bit to be flavorful. Now let's prepare the scrambled egg ingredient. Crack 2 eggs and mix with mirin, sugar, soy sauce, and a splash of water until well combined. Heat the chicken mix on low to medium flame, using 4 chopsticks to stir and simmer until it's just right. Once the meat is cooked with only a bit of sauce left at the bottom, take it out and set it aside. Using the same pan, let's cook the egg mixture. Keep stirring to get that fine texture and remember to keep the heat medium to avoid burning. Once done, remove it from the pan to stop further cooking. It's time to assemble our bowl. Layer rice in donburi bowl and artfully place the chicken soboro and scrambled eggs in 2 separate sections. Garnish with chopped nori and pickled ginger for an extra pop of color and flavor. Here we have it. The sweet and spicy chicken perfectly complement the gentle taste of eggs, and it looks just as appealing as it tastes. It's truly a simple dish turned into a delight. Let's look up the ingredients. For the meat, 200-gram chicken mince, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon sake, 3 tablespoons soy sauce. And for the egg, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon water. How did you like our Tori Soboro Rice Bowl recipe? If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious adventures. And don't forget to share your thoughts and requests in the comment below. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!